everyone and welcome to the Infobyd YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how Zoho Creator simplified operations for a manufacturing business. So let's get started. Managing a manufacturing business with traditional methods such as paperwork and Excel sheets posed several challenges. Manual data management. Storing records like material formulas, vendor details, contacts, and project status in Excel sheet was cumbersome and prone to errors. Tracking BOP and the time taken to move from one BOP stage to another was tedious, especially when updates were scattered across multiple sheets. Dependence on team members. As an admin, you had to call managers constantly or salesperson to get updates on project status, which was time consuming and inefficient. Human errors. Manual updates in Excel sheets led to errors in data entry and calculations. Scalability issues. As your business grew, managing more data and process in Excel became increasingly challenging. To overcome these challenges, you transition to Zoho Creator, a low-code application development platform that streamlined your operations. Now let's have a demo on manufacturing. As an admin, you can log into your account and access a dashboard that provides total number of projects. Zoho Creator enabled you to consolidate all your critical data into one platform. Materials. Records of material formulas and in-house materials. BOP management. Tracking each project through different BOP stages along with time taken at each stage. Role-based updates. Your team members now enter data directly into the Zoho Creator application. Data updates include customer details, project progress, material usage, and BOP transitions. So, with the help of the given solutions, you will get the following outcomes. Efficiency. Zoho Creator streamlined your operations, reducing the time spent on managing Excel sheets and paperwork. Transparency and visibility. The admin dashboard provides a clear and comprehensive overview of your business metrics, running and in-progress projects, customers and vendors. You no longer need to rely on managers or salespersons for updates, as all information is accessible in one place. Time savings. Automation of routine tasks such as notifications and reports saved significant time for you and your team. Scalability. Zoho Creator's scalability allows your business to grow without additional operational challenges. As new projects, customers, and processes are added, the system seamlessly accommodates the increased data. Admin dashboard. Instant overview of critical metrics such as project status, customer data, and BOP transitions. Reports. Custom reports for analyzing time spent on BOPs, project progress, and customer engagement. By adopting Zoho Creator, you successfully transitioned from a manual, error-prone process to a streamlined automated system, enhancing efficiency, accuracy, and visibility in your manufacturing business. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Infobyd.